Now, I'm always on the lookout for a top quality backpack that you might have not heard about. And today I have one to show you that not only uses top quality material, but also comes in at a great price. So stay tuned. Now, this is the Tolaccea Ulife06. And you might be wondering what's up with Perrie and the backpacks. But when I saw this backpack and I saw how it was made and the value and what it came with, I said, I gotta take a look at this backpack. Now, you might think that this looks a little more masculine, but let me tell you that the company was started by a woman. So that should tell you something. They were actually designed for comfort. And this bag is comfortable, even in this size that would count as a carry-on size, which is something that I take into consideration when I bring a backpack to you, or for that matter, any of the bags that I show you. Because if I don't like them, I don't show them to you. And that has always been one of my core principles of this channel. I won't show anything that I wouldn't buy myself. So you should always keep that in mind. You have no idea how much stuff I actually turn away. So let's get on to why I was so drawn to this bag. First of all, I love the fact that it's made out of recycled polyester, because that means that this bag is not only a sturdy bag, it's also water repellent, and it'll have a lot of body to the bag. And that means you don't have to worry about the bag bulging, which you know how I often talk about bags bulging when they get too big. The only thing you actually really have to worry about this bag is overstuffing it to the extent that you wouldn't want to put it on your back. So now that I've gone over the fundamentals of the bags, let's get the bag's measurements. The width of the bag is 12 inches. The height of the bag is 20.5 inches, I would say. And the depth of the bag is 7 inches. And this bag comes in as 2.4 pounds. So that means that this bag makes compliance as a carry-on bag, not a personal item bag. But this is a one and done bag. So that's another thing to take into consideration. And when you see what comes with it, you'll see why I really say it's a one and done bag, because there's a lot of little nice extras that this bag comes with. Now, let's talk about some of the features of the external part of the bag, and then we'll go work our way into the inside of the bag, and then I'll show you the extras that this bag comes with. Now, the first thing I want to show you is this front compartment, which is their wet compartment. And you can see here, it is very much a wet compartment. Now, what I like about this wet compartment is that it has a lot of depth to it. And so you could use either a lot of wet or dirty clothing in here if that's what you choose to do. Now, I personally like using it for my 311 bag and my airline comfort bag, because when I'm going through TSA, I want to be able to grab my 311 bag easily and not have to worry about opening up the whole bag. The next thing I want to point out to you is these zippers, because these zippers are SBS zippers. Now, I know you all know about YKK zippers, but SBS zippers are every bit as good as YKK zippers. They're used by companies like Puma and Adidas and North Face. So you get top quality zippers. And the zippers have a nice toggle to them. And I like that on a backpack because it makes it easier to open and close. And all the zippers are lockable, because that's really important these days, especially since this bag is considered carry-on size and it's going to be going into the overhead. You want your bags protected. Now you have this top compartment here for storing your quick grab items, and they even show you on the tag that that's what it's for. They give you little sunglasses there, and it's made out of this super soft material. I really like that. I like to look at the little details of a bag before I get excited about it. It also has all these places to strap carabiners and stuff like that, if that's what you do. Not necessarily what I do, but you might do that. Now, like any other backpack, it does have 4 compression straps, 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Now, I want to point out another thoughtful thing that Tolaccea put into their bags, which is that these compression straps have an additional strap here so that you can actually put something on top, like a tube, if you brought home artwork or something like that, and it would have a place to go. And I think that that's another nice little detail that they have put into their bags. There's dual handles at the side of the bag, so you can use this bag as regular luggage if that's what you choose to do and not wear it on your back. I like options like that. On this side of the bag, you have a nice water bottle compartment, and it's a big one, and it has its own compression strap. So if you're using it for smaller items, you can, and if you want to use it for a big water bottle, and I know some of you out there like your big water bottles, you can put that in there. I want to show you that they have a quick grab handle here if you've taken the shoulder straps off and you just need to pick it up and get going. Let's talk a little bit about the straps. And there's a couple of things here that I want to go over. First of all, they have this reflective banding here, which is great because if you're wearing it on your back, you know that people can see you. It has a trolley pass-through here, and it also has very good ergonomic padding on the back, which means that this bag doesn't feel like a ton when you're wearing it on your back. The shoulder straps themselves are super well padded, and it does have an adjustable sternum strap. And when I say adjustable, I really mean adjustable because on this side, it has give. So sometimes if you wear a backpack and you have a sternum strap across your chest and you bend over it and do something like that, it can grab you really hard and be a little uncomfortable. But because this sternum strap has give to it, it means it won't grab you in any funny way if you have to bend over or lean over. It'll be just as comfortable as when you first strapped it on. And it is adjustable, of course, up and down. And the straps are also adjustable. But here's the thing that I like about this bag in particular. These straps come off. You just unclip them this way. There's one. Okay, and here's two. Nice and easy. And if you want to use it just as a piece of luggage, or you want to store it on a piece of luggage and you don't want these in your way, you can put these straps into here like this, and it even comes with a little snap here that you can snap shut and keep those straps out of your way. So if you want to carry the bag this way, you can. There's also another quick grab pocket right here in the back, and it goes the full length of the top of the bag. So you can actually store a lot of stuff here and here in these quick grab pockets. And of course, the bag has a trolley pass-through. So if you don't want to be wearing it on your back, you can put it on your luggage. Now over here in the back is where your computer resides. Now it's not a dedicated computer compartment. It's an optional computer compartment. I'll show you this way that they show you this is where the computer is supposed to go. And here's my 13-inch MacBook. It disappears into the pocket. So this could take a much larger computer than my 13-inch MacBook. But I know that some of you don't take your computer with you, and this does make for another good sleeve if you want to put delicate things on your way home, or if you want to pack clothing in there. It is still a very useful pocket to have. And it is a quick grab kind of pocket. So if you need something quickly, you can just put it in there and grab it out later, like paperwork. Now, like any other backpack, it does have 4 compression straps, 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Now also here in the back is another pocket that's protected because it's right up against your back. And it's a nice big pocket. It runs the whole length of the side. It has a key leash in here. And it has another pocket on the inside. So there's actually 2 pockets in here, plus the key leash. And I do believe this other pocket is meant for a water bottle if you want to keep it hidden, but it's still all there on one side. And I think that that's another nice little detail that they have put into their bags. So now that we've looked at the features on the outside of the bag, let's get on to the inside of the bag. Now, it was the inside of this bag that really attracted me to the bag, because I don't always like one big cavernous space inside my backpacks. I like some structure, and this bag provides for that. It does have one very large compartment. There is structure. I'll get to that. And by the way, here is where the computer would reside if you decided to use that pocket in that way. But as I said before, you don't have to. It's on this side of the bag that I really love it, because I have not seen so much structure on a backpack like this, and I really found it to be very helpful. And you'll see later when I go to pack it out how helpful it is. It has 3 big pockets, and they're nice roomy pockets. So there's one here, and 2 smaller pockets here. So you can put other smaller items if you want to in here. Now that's a lot of thoughtfulness and design when dealing with a backpack. But Tolaccea is just a little bit different than everybody else. So let me show you what also came with the backpack. Now this is what I meant about Tolaccea giving you value for your money. When you buy this backpack, they actually give you 2 packing cubes and a toiletry bag. And these are not just regular packing cubes, but we'll get into that in a second. You have a smaller packing cube, a medium packing cube, and this toiletry bag. I'm going to start with this toiletry bag first. They call it a toiletry bag. I'm going to call it your anything you need it to be bag, because when you see the inside of this bag, you're going to be blown away. First of all, look at all the pockets it has. It has 2 pockets on this side, 2 pockets on the other side, this big crisscross pocket here, another pocket here, and another pocket here. And in the back of the toiletry bag is still yet another pocket. And that means you can use this bag as your tech bag, your toiletry bag, your airline comfort bag. And it fits perfectly inside the Tolaccea backpack. But wait, there's more. They give you a padded shouldered strap, which you can clip onto these hooks here and now have a crossbody bag. And then you have everything that you need in one bag. This is not just a toiletry bag. It's not just a tech bag. It's not even just an airline comfort bag. It's an everything bag. And by the way, look at this. They even give you handles. I mean, I thought that this bag in itself was amazing. And I want to show you something. In the packing cubes, they also come with these straps. So if you don't want to use your toiletry bag as your crossbody bag, you can use one of these as your crossbody bag. And this too also comes with 2 handles. Now this is the bigger of the 2 bags. I have to show you when I pack it out. This is really a huge bag. You can put a lot of clothing in here. And the problem is you can overstuff this bag. Now this is the smaller of the 2 packing cubes, and this too also holds a ton. And it also comes with the hooks that go with the strap. So if you want to use this bag as your bag to go out every day, you can do that too. And I think getting 3 bags like this inside a backpack is pretty outstanding, because not only does it give you organization, it gives you options. And I have to say, I've never seen that with any other backpack that I've gotten that was just a backpack. So you can see why I was so excited about this bag. Now, before I show you the Packout of the Ulife06, if you have any questions about this bag or the packing cubes or anything about its construction, please drop it in the comments section down below. You know, I always love to hear from everyone. Also, if you happen to have liked this video or you found it informative in any way, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, because that tells YouTube that you like my content and would like more of it delivered to you. So here's the Tolaccea Ulife06. Fully packed out using the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Now I have to tell you, I stuck in some extra pieces when I was testing the bag out, and it can hold even more. The question always becomes when you're talking about backpacking is, how much weight do you want to be carrying on your back? So for me, the 5-4-3-2-1 method allows me enough clothing to go away with for 2 weeks without having to put a ton of stuff on my back. So here I am with the bag on my back, so you can have an idea of what the bag looks like when you're wearing it. And I have to tell you that it's very comfortable and it does not stress out my back at all. So now let's get into how I packed out the bag, because it's relevant to this particular bag. So the first thing I want to show you is how neat it is to have the computer compartment configured this way. So over here in the back is where the computer resides. So it's down here in the back of this bag in that compartment that I showed you earlier on, which means that you don't have a bulky dedicated computer compartment. Now the other thing I wanted to remind you of is that you can store these handles in this back compartment over here. But right now that back compartment is not being used. So if you wanted to, you could put the computer compartment in here, and that's one thing. Or you could use this pocket for extra storage. Or you can use the handles that they have here on the side, so you could use it like luggage if that's what you choose to do. So I put the computer back in its compartment, and now we're going to get into the inside of the bag. So I like it when there's a lot of thought given to a bag, and this bag happens to have a lot of thought put into it. Because as I showed you before, where the computer is, it's easy access for you going through TSA. And the other thing that's easy access for you going through the TSA is this front compartment, which is your wet compartment. And there's 2 things I like about this wet compartment. Number one, because this bag is so well structured and the fabric does not have a lot of give, this bag does not bulge when you put things in their front pocket. And that in itself is a huge relief to me, because normally when I do reviews of these backpacks, the problem is that these front pockets have a lot of give to them, and then the backpacks become too big and cumbersome to use. And that does not happen with this bag. So in this front compartment, I have my 311 liquids bag, and I used the toiletry bag as my airline comfort bag. And the reason I did that was because I felt that it had great storage on the inside so that I had a compartment for everything that I needed. I also want to point out that I never used this back compartment at all. And you could. The other really cool thing about this bag is because you get this crossbody belt that you can attach here in the back, you can use this bag as your crossbody bag if that's what you want to do. And it'll hold a lot of stuff for during the day. I only use a fraction of this bag as my airline comfort bag, so your usage may be different. So now that you see how easy it is to get through TSA and also make sure that everything in the bag stays dry, let me show you how I packed out this bag. Now in this top compartment here, I put my quick grab items, which is my phone, my glasses, a pen, the things that you're going to want to get in and out quickly. And in the water bottle compartment, which was huge, I did stick my umbrella because, that's always going to happen with me. So moving on to the inside of this bag, which is where I think this bag shines, is the multiple compartments that you can use here on the lid, plus the main compartment that you have over here. Now, I told you I used the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. But that doesn't apply to my underwear and socks. I only take a week of those. So in this compartment over here, I have my nightgown, which I like because it's quick and easy. And if I get to my destination, I just pull it out and it's all there. I have 7 pairs of underwear and socks. I have 7 pairs of underwear here. I have my socks up in here, and I have my 2 bras in here. And if you're wondering how I can get away with 7 days of socks in such a small compartment, I just want to point out half of these socks are thicker socks, and these are bamboo socks that I get, and they are super thin, yet very absorbent and smell resistant, and I prefer these, to be honest with you, most of the time to these. But these have a little more heft to them, so if it's a little chilly outside, maybe I'll put those on. Now, moving to the inside of the bag, I cheated a little. And I know I shouldn't cheat, but I did. So I gave myself a denim jacket that was not part of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wristlet crossbody bag, which is also not part of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My shoes. And I have 3 pairs of pants rolled at the top. I didn't need to put them in their own cube. You can put them in your own cube. There's plenty of room here to do that. Now, this is one of the other packing cubes, and this is the bigger one. And in this packing cube, I put 5 shirts and my 1 dress. And that's a lot in here, but it fit nice and easy. And I have to tell you, I could have put in more. You can see I can put in more, but I'm sticking to the method. And in this packing cube, I have my 4 layering pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's a little dark in there, but I do. And I had room for more. But remember, you are wearing this on your back, and so I didn't want to make this too heavy. I brought a crossbody bag just for the heck of it, just to show you that it fits into this bag. I don't think I would use it. I think I would use the one that came with the Tolaccea set. I have my tech bag in here. I have my international hair dryer in here and my brush. Now, the reason I packed this is I would normally pack this for a European vacation. And I wanted to show you that this bag could hold all of this. And because it is a European vacation, I have my international plug. Here at the back of the bag, where you have that other compartment, is my computer. Now, you can use that pocket for other things if taking a computer is not your thing. But for me, it is. So I packed this out to show you how it works. Now, I happen to think the Ulife06 bag is an outstanding value. But if this bag doesn't grab you, you might want to look at this video over here. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.